going on YouTube, traders, investors? Today is the week 7 video of the $100 a week investing challenge on the Robinhood app. And today we got into some dividend stocks, got into another option, closed out some positions, just a lot going on. Let's get into it. All right, before we get into the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance of getting a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford, and many more. And remember that everything on the Robinhood app is free. You don't pay any fees to trade. That means buy or sell any stock. Also, options are free too. So please use that link, it'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. Okay, here we are on the homepage of the Robinhood web platform. And just before we get into this video, I got out of 4 positions to get into. I saw an opportunity to get into one that I've been looking at for a while. So I got out at Molson Coors, ticker symbol TAP. I got out of Scotts Miracle-Gro, ticker symbol SMG. I got out of ICHI, ticker symbol IQ, and I got out of Hexo because I saw another play in a marijuana stock that pays a dividend, a pretty nice dividend. So we're gonna go ahead and jump to that. We'll get everything else in a minute. But it's ticker symbol IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. Now, this particular marijuana stock is not a pure marijuana play. And another good thing about it is it's in the United States. It's also a REIT that pays a dividend yield of 2.64%. I saw a nice dip on it. That's why I got out of those other positions. This was like an opportunity. And as you can see right now, I'm up 5% already. This thing dipped. It took like a 12% dip. I got in almost at the bottom. I think the bottom, I got in at 122.83. The bottom was like 122.50. So I got in it because it pays a dividend. It's in the marijuana sector. And let me jump into that real quick. This is a REIT that buys the property that all these marijuana growers rent or lease. So they go out and look for all this property that is going to be used to grow marijuana. Now they're mainly focused on the medical side, but as the boom of marijuana in the United States gets bigger and bigger and bigger, this stock has a chance to double, if not triple, before the competition comes in. And they also pay you a nice dividend. So that's ticker symbol IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. The next dividend stock I got into is New Residential Investment, ticker symbol NRZ. And the reason I got into this, I can just scroll down and show you exactly why. And it's this reason and to balance out my portfolio. This 14.07 yield. I've been in NRZ before, like way before. They pay a very good dividend. Matter of fact, they pay you 50 cents every share you have. So that adds up quick, and that's per quarter. So do the math on that. That is a very, very, very good dividend yield. I got 8 shares at an average cost of $15.45. It is down today. It's down to $15.31. But New Residential Investment is a REIT, another REIT just like IIPR. They pay dividends. This one pays a very nice dividend. And it's pretty steady. It's pretty steady. You can go back and look at the charts on it. Matter of fact, we'll just pull up the year chart real quick. You can see this is the dip in December of last year, and then the little dip afterwards. But it is on a little bit of a decline. So this is a stock that you're going to get in for the long because you want those dividends. Dividends, dividends. I can't stress how important that is. They're paying you to own the stock. And the next one was VICCI. We didn't get into it this week. We only had 5 shares last week, but I decided to go ahead and add 5 more shares. So we'll check out VICCI. I plan on doing a closer look video on VICCI, probably come out the next week or so. maybe next few days, sometime in there. Matter of fact, I've already started part of the video, so it's coming. I don't know exactly when though. But we added 5 more shares. It's on a bit of a dip today. This is one that I plan to keep adding and adding and adding in, just because I think this one could take off any day now. But it does pay a 5.31 dividend yield, which is very nice. Another one is paying you to own their stock. And that's the update on VICCI. Okay, and here's tvix. We added 3 more shares of tvix, and people may think I'm doing this the wrong way, but it is what it is. I have my reasons for having a position in tvix. And if you watched in my other videos, you know I look at it as insurance. It's insurance for if we have another flash crash. If all of a sudden the recession hits us, this is to cover my losses. And if you look at it like insurance, like everybody pays car insurance, and there's some people that never get into an accident. So they've just given that money, given it away for just in case something happens. This is my just in case something happens. I added 3 more shares. I'm down 14%, $23. This is not something that you get into typically just to only own it. You know, it's basically I'm using it to cover my losses if something happens. So got 3 more shares. That's it for tvix. Okay, here we are on an option that I literally just got in like a few minutes ago. I got in at $2.86. It's already up to $3.10, which is equivalent to $310 because you got to buy 1 contract that represents 100 shares. So I saw a dip. Trump came out and did some tweet saying that we are a long way away from getting the deal with China. At that split moment, everything dipped. This option was at like 410, over 400, and dipped down all the way to 267. So I got in at 286, and this is an option that expires on the 19th. So it expires Friday, July 19th, Friday. I don't plan on staying. I might get out of this thing today, maybe tomorrow. I'm trying to just see if that option gets back up to the $400 level, and then I'm out. So got in that just a few minutes ago, trying to make some money. We'll see how it works. And this is pretty much going to end the video in this little update for this week 7. If you like the video, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.